For our first flourish, let's take a peek at blind rotational Sybil, or BRS. Here's what it looks like. Here's the explanation of blind rotational Sybil. We begin by going to the Z grip position, which, as you'll remember, looks like that. The right hand middle finger breaks off about a quarter of the deck, creating a V shape. Next, you break off another quarter of the deck utilizing your left hand forefingers, tip this spot right here as the pivot point, like that. That gives you a Z looking position when viewed from the side. Next action is to break off the top packet in half like that, making another little V there, utilizing your right hand forefinger. Okay? Note how the right hand middle finger is on the right side. This gives you plenty of room for your right hand forefinger to break that packet in half. Okay? That gives you a W looking shape when viewed from the side. That all happens in one smooth motion. Okay? Like that. Now we go into the standard Sybil work. Turn the top two packets clockwise, like that. And with your left hand middle finger right here and your left hand thumb, grab the Jack of Diamonds packet. Okay? So once more, you were here, start pivoting on the right hand thumb down the top two packets and grab the Jack of Diamonds packet here. That's the second packet from the bottom if you were looking at the cut like this. But here it's like the right, second to the right packet. Okay? Next, what you want to do is, since the left hand's middle finger and thumb is holding that packet, these fingers play no role in gripping the cards anymore, so you can release them. Now, pivot forward on your left hand forefinger like so, and bring what is now going to be the second packet from the bottom around the packet which was just pivoted on the forefinger, and push that packet, this packet, forward. This makes it easy for the three fingers, which, remember, a moment ago were playing no role in the cut, to grab that packet in a short end straddle grip. It's not the long end, it's the short end, just like that. Okay? The ring finger plays hardly any role. The real grip is just by the pinky and middle finger. Okay? So it goes like that. Nonetheless, though, it's nice to have the ring finger out because you can utilize it to pivot it. Notice how if I push down, the packet pushes forward. This makes it easier in some cuts because you can get it out of the way. So it doesn't get in the way, you can pivot it forward. That's a useful tip. Now repeat the action we just did of going sort of clockwise with the top two packets, pivoting them on this finger right here. As if this was a two-story hotel building, that was the first story, that was the second story. You're almost switching stories here. And now grabbing that packet in the left hand middle finger and thumb grip. Now you can release the forefinger. This is very similar to the action we just did. Pivot forward once again, clear it around, and push forward with that packet. Now we can't put it in the short end straddle grip because there's already the Jack of Diamonds packet there. But here's the addition which we brought to the cut. Place it into what is the V for victory position in the right hand. Right about there. You want it to be a little further than the middle. That's normally a nice spot. Not near the bottom or at the very tip of this packet right here. But right about there is good. Now, we're going into the close of the cut. Drop that packet first. Turn the right hand palm up, grab that packet, turn it palm down again, and with the right hand forefinger, pivot it around the thumb. Okay? Going clockwise like that. That's the rotation. And that completes blind rotational Sybil.